Welcome back to my channel. This is Maroon in Australia. 皆さんこんにちは。オーストラリアブリスベン在住のマロンです。
はい。
ブラックです。
ブラックです。
Today where are we in?
We are in the Bondi wetlands. I just found on Google Maps, but it looks so beautiful.
Yeah, we're just doing the bush work in here. Looks beautiful. So, do you do bushwalking in Turkey?
Not as much as I do in Australia. Sometimes.
How about hiking in the mountain?
Nah.
No?
Nah.
Have you ever tried before in Turkey? Never?
Well, yeah, in my hometown,
Uh-huh.
there's one place into the mountains. Maybe once or twice I tried. I'm not so sure.
So it is not so much common in Turkey?
No,
to
it
do
is common, but it depends on where you are living. So if you are living in a city and it's difficult to go to bushlands and places, so
Yeah.
you can only do in your holidays.
Yeah.
But in here, like you are living in Brisbane, but you can find beautiful places like just 20 minutes drive,
Yeah.
10 minutes drive.
Also in Japan, like people really love hiking or bushwalking. But you know, whenever I went to some mountain near the Tokyo, too many people. It's really difficult to hiking. But in Australia, today is Sunday, but there's no one there. It's like a private bushwalk, right?
Right.
Yeah, I feel it. Sometimes I feel scared because no one there. Just birds.
Birds are okay, but
Maybe.
reptiles.
Maybe yeah. Once we worked in the glass house mountain, right?
Yeah, we saw like around 2 meters lizard
Yeah. So.
standing on the middle of the road. So
Yeah.
we just
Yeah.
wait him to
Yeah.
go away.
Yeah. Right. In Australia, like wild animals makes me so scared.今日は雲一つないとっても綺麗なお天気でブッシュウォーキングも気持ちが良かったです。夏は暑くてウォーキングやハイキングをするのは大変なので、ぜひ今の冬の時期に楽しんでください。この日は朝6時に起きて綺麗なサンライズを見ることができました。Today we're gonna go to Mount Cooper.If you wanna do hiking in Mount Cooper, I think it's gonna be half an hour?
1 hour, I guess.
1 hour? Okay. Yeah. I think once we tried a hiking, right? 2-3 years ago?
No, I didn't try.
Huh?
I think you did with your friends.
No, we tried once. Don't you remember?
With me?
Yes. 3 to 4 years before we tried a hiking. Yeah, it was a little bit not so easy, but it was so fun. Yeah, we are driving to the lookout. The view was so amazing, so I'm gonna show you. So let's get started. We arrived at Maunto Koosa lookout.
Yes.
Yes. So today, blue sky. Must be beautiful. Here is top of mountain. The sunshine is so strong, but a little bit chill. Do you remember last time when did we come here? Yeah.
Nighttime.
Ah, yeah. Also, once we came to the Japanese garden,
Yes,
right?
we went to that.
Yeah.
But we didn't come.
Yeah. Okay. We'll show you. Wow, look at that. Amazing. It's very beautiful today. Look at that, there's the Brisbane city. Hot?
Samui.
Ui. How about the weather in Brisbane right now? So, what do you think?
Yeah, it is sunny but cold.
Yeah.
It is winter now.
But I think if compared with another city in Australia, like Sydney or Melbourne, much more.
Warm.
Yeah. How about clothes in winter in Brisbane?
Like just a jacket and inside just a t-shirt.
T-shirts? Yeah.
Should be fine. The minimum around nighttime 9 degrees, 8 degrees.
Yeah, the problem is the temperature is different so much in the morning time and daytime. I woke up 6 a.m. this morning.
Yeah,
It was so cold. Yeah.
Morning time is around 8 degrees, 9 degrees, but in the afternoon it reaches around 20, 21 degrees.
Yes. Me. I just wore the
Trousers.
yeah, but not so like a thick one. Then I wore the little bit warm jacket on. Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's it.
That's it. Yeah. So winter is very nice in Brisbane, I think.
Right now, yes.
Yeah.
I hope it will be like that
Yeah. Also the weather is amazing, perfect.
because we didn't enjoy this summer.
Yeah. In summertime, yeah,
rain,
flood.
rain, rain,
Yeah. Yeah, we couldn't go to beach so much. Yeah. I hope
It will
we
be
go.
better.
Yeah. Last week, so thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.